what's going on, YouTube? You know, the Uber card has been on the scene for a few years now. It was a very solid card, especially for the super fans of Uber and Uber Eats. Unfortunately, it seems like the Uber card has run into a little bit of an issue, and its life is going to be short-lived. As of October 22nd, 2021, the Uber card is going to be discontinued and its users are going to be transitioned to a different card. What I want to do in this video is I want to take a deep dive into what the Uber card used to offer and what this new Barclays card is going to offer to its former Uber users and its new Barclays users that are going to be using this card. Hey, welcome to Points Blank Travel, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about credit. We talk about credit cards. We talk about personal finance, points, miles, cash back, and how to travel around the world or around the country for little or no money out of your pocket, baby. If that's something you're interested in, do me a favor if you haven't already done so. Subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. It helps the video get pushed out to people that may be looking for information like this. Share the channel with your family. Share the channel with your friends. And as I sometimes say, share it with your cousin. Share it with your cousin's cousin. I don't care who you share it with. Just share it with somebody that may be looking for this type of information. Also, do me a favor. Make sure you check out the link down in the description below for various referral offers from different credit cards that I have. Also, if you're looking at getting into investing, I would highly recommend checking out my link down below for Robinhood. You make an investment in the Robinhood and you will receive one free stock. Also, if you're into cryptocurrency, definitely check out the link down there for BLOCKFI. Not only will you get into crypto, but you'll also earn interest on your crypto holdings. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's roll, baby. Let's get down to business, baby. All right, for comparison's sake, what I want to do first is I want to look at the benefits and the earning rates of the current Uber card. And right now, it looks like you will earn 5% cash back per $1 spent on Uber purchases. So if you're taking an Uber somewhere or if you're using Uber Eats, you will get 5% cash back on every dollar spent. You'll also earn 3% cash back per $1 spent on dining, in restaurants, takeout, delivery, also on hotels and airfare, which not too bad. People are starting to get back into traveling, but then there's a current situation right now that's kind of holding people up. So, I don't know. That's a okay earning. And then you'll get 1% cash back per $1 spent on all other purchases. Now, the Uber card does not have an annual fee. It does not have foreign transaction fees. And you also get a $600 cell phone insurance coverage as long as you pay your cell phone bill with the Uber card. And this coverage does cover damage and theft. Now, with the new transition, all current Uber card holders are going to be transitioned to the Barclays View Card. And from what I'm seeing, this card is very solid. I don't have the Uber card. I can't say I wish I had it, but this card, I could still apply for the Barclays View Card, which I really don't know if I will or won't, but I can tell you, if you're looking for a solid credit card, this may be it, especially a cashback card. Now, depending on your purchase habits, you may even come out better by using the Barclays View Card than you would have with the Uber card. It's not probably, you will. And what I want to do right now is go over the bonus categories, baby. You will earn 3 times the points. Now, they use a point system instead of a cash back, but it still equates to cash back. You will earn 3 times the points for every dollar spent on restaurant purchases. Whether it's dining in, takeout, delivery, it doesn't matter. You'll also get 2 times the points for every dollar spent on select streaming services, your Hulu, your Disney Plus, your ESPN Plus, your Netflix. You'll also get 2 times the points for every dollar spent on internet, on phone, your cell phone, and on TV services, your cable. And you will get 2 times the points for every dollar spent at grocery store purchases. Man, I mean, come on now. It doesn't really get any better than this. It does, but not for a card that does not have an annual fee and would only typically used to give you cash back for Uber rides at 5%. Everybody's not using Uber. I use Uber, but everybody's not using them. And you will get 1 times a point per $1 spent on all other purchases. Now, the Barclays View Card will still feature, again, it will have no annual fee, but your overall redemption options will expand significantly, allowing you to redeem your points for cash back into your bank account, statement credits, or gift cards. I'm not a fan of gift cards. Statement credits could work if you run into a rough situation, but I'd rather get that cash back and drop it in my bank account. And it is the bank account of your choice. It's not a Barclays bank account, it's the bank account of your choice. The bottom line, you know, why it's really not clear why Barclays and Uber decided to get rid of the Uber card, most would agree that it may have had something to do with less competitive situations with, you know, thanks to the least or the limited redemption offers or the redemption options. I'm not sure why they got rid of the card. Now, while you're losing the 5% cash back on Uber rides, you're also gaining 2% cash back on some popular categories and 3% cash back. So, given the new categories, I would personally say that the Barclays View Card is a better option than the Uber card, which was also by Barclays. So do me a favor. Tell me, what do you think? Do you have the Uber card? Are you kind of bothered by this transition? Are you bothered that the card is going to be discontinued? Were you thinking about getting the Uber card and now you don't really have that option? I'd love to hear about it. Please post it down in the comments below. Again, do me a favor if you haven't already done so. Subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. It helps the video get pushed out to even more people, as I said earlier. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it with your cousin. Share it with your cousin's cousin. I don't care. Just share it with somebody. And also, make sure you check out my different referral links for various credit cards down in the description below. I mean, there's Chase cards, American Express cards, Capital One cards, Citi cards. Just check it out. And as I always say, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars, baby. I'll be coming at you soon, dropping even more knowledge. And until then, peace, baby. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you soon.